What's going on, guys? We're going to take a little look at the /ES, which is the SPY futures. So this is the E-mini S&P 500 index futures contract chart that we're looking at here. Futures just opened a couple of hours ago. What we're looking at is the daily time frame. So first off, I want to say I hope everyone had a long and good holiday weekend. I hope everyone got to spend time with friends, family, or even, just alone and kind of got your heads off the charts. But I'm going to be the first one to say it's time to get back to work, right? I'm sure we're all ready to get back to work. So with that being said, if you are a futures trader, you guys are looking to get funded up to $150,000. I work with a fantastic prop firm. Check the link down in the description box below. But just looking at the daily chart here, we are coming off some extended selling here on the S&P 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and today is the 13th day. So we are going on almost 3 weeks worth of selling in the S&P 500 /ES. If you guys trade the micros, that ticker is going to be /MES. What I want to kind of show you guys here, on Friday, we did lose the 50-day moving average. This is never a good sign for the bulls when sellers kind of take control of that 50-day moving average. The best possible case for the bulls would have been, even with the extended selling, a pullback here into this channel line and this declining 50-day moving average, kind of hold this area as we did consolidate for 4 days last week and then kind of push higher here. That's not to say that we're not going to get some type of dead cat bounce going into this week, and I'm sure we will, but that's what you have to treat it as, just a dead cat bounce. If you look at my chart, it looks very, very messy. There's a lot of these, different color lines. All of these lines are different areas of supply and demand. So if you kind of just take a look at where we're at now, today is obviously the 17th. It is 5:43 Pacific Standard Time. We are below all of these levels of supply. Each and every single one of these levels of supply is going to act as a level of resistance. We did lose this channel line, and this channel line here that we lost on Friday was 43.92. We are currently trading at 43.58. What I would be looking for here, if you did not catch this opening flush on the ES, is some type of bounce. So if we can take a look at 1, 2, 3 areas, 3 multiple touch points here, and I do not know why I do not have my drawing tool up, but if I can pull up my Epic pen here and just give me just a moment while this decides to load here, so I can kind of show you guys what I'm talking about. So if we look 1, 2, 3, multiple touch points here. This was a definitive line in the sand. You can see here when we lost this level now, we have breached this area of support. This is going to be an extremely tough area to reclaim for the bulls. So what I'm going to be looking for now is if we do have some sort of bounce off these lows of 43.55, we could potentially come on the 1 hour time frame to the 5-day moving average, or even this declining 10-day moving average. But what I want to see here is what do we do when we get to this level? Do we decide to chop around and then break through? If that's possible, and if that happens, it's going to be a very, very choppy road. It's going to look something like this: a lot of chop, up and down, and then all the way back down. It's going to be very, very messy, just due to the fact that we have all of these levels of supply ahead. And just kind of with that being said, if this area starts to hold and we do get some sort of bounce here, even a reclaim of this level here, but the bulls cannot take control and then we start to lose it again, what you can do is use this as a short opportunity. And if we do break back above for a second time, exit your position. This area is going to be your ceiling. This is going to be your max pain. This is going to be your stop loss. I wouldn't want to start sitting short here, just due to the fact that if we do bounce, you are going to go into a bit of drawdown on that bounce. So you're going to kind of have to stay patient. This can continue to flush here, and if it does flush and you're not already sitting in this move, it's going to be very, very tough to chase it. The last thing I want to tell anyone to do is chase this move here and then have it snap back on you in the overnight session and put you into a drawdown. We're going to need to wait for a better setup. One setup that I would be looking for is maybe a bounce into this area, chop around, and then come crashing down. I will take that short position. That's an area of opportunity. Or if we do get some sort of bounce all the way to this zone and then we get rejected here, I would take my short position there and use this line as my stop loss. That's another area of opportunity that you guys can take. I'm going to be trading a lot of futures this week. Definitely want to keep up with me, subscribe to the channel, and join the Discord. Also, I'm going to be going live, doing some live trading on the NASDAQ futures as well as ES. So if you want to take part in that and you guys kind of want to learn and you guys want to trade together, definitely join the Discord so you guys can stay updated and see what's going on. Hit the subscribe button on YouTube, and I'm going to see you guys on the next one.